AS team, welcome to AS Academy. I'm Harini and today we'll be looking at the current affairs of February 4th, 2021. So let's move on to the first question. So the first question is, which country's ruling Communist Party has re-elected its 76-year-old General Secretary Nguyen Phuong Trong? So the answer is option C, Vietnam, and the Prime Minister of Vietnam is Nguyen Xuan Phuong. Nguyen Xuan Phuong. Then moving on to the next question. What is the theme of World Leprosy Day 2021? So the answer is option C, beat leprosy, end stigma and advocate for mental well-being. So let's move on to the next question. Third question is, which bank has decided to restrict its customers from withdrawing money from non-EMV automated teller machine? So the answer is option D, Punjab National Bank, and the CEO of Punjab National Bank is S.S. Mallikarjuna Rao. S.S. Mallikarjuna Rao. Then moving on to the next question. So the fourth question is, who has won the gold medal in the first ever Asian Online Shooting Championship? So the answer is option C, Saurabh Chaudhary, and he has also won a gold medal in 2018 Asian Games in 100 meter air pistol, in 10 meters air pistol. Then moving on to the next question. Cicely Tyson passed away recently. She was related to which profession? So the answer is option B, actress. Then moving on to the next question. Sixth question is, Chowri Chowra is a town located in which Indian state or union territory? So the answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh, and Chowri Chowra is in Gorakhpur district. So Chowri Chowra is in Gorakhpur district. And just remember that Chowri Chowra incident took place on 14th February 1922. Then moving on to the next question. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the board in Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services? So the answer is option C, Anish Shah. So the answer is option C, Anish Shah. Then moving on to the next question. As per the NSO's revised estimates released recently, what was India's GDP growth rate for 2019 to 2020? So the answer is option D, 4%. And GDP is released by Central Statistic Office. So it has been released by Central Statistics Office, and it comes under the Ministry of Statistics. So you should know the minister as well. So the minister is D.V. Sadananda Gowda. Then moving on to the next question. So the ninth question is, External Affairs Minister has proposed 8 guiding principles to repair the strained relationship with which country? So the answer is option A, China. And the External Affairs Minister of India is Jaishankar. And the State Councillor and Foreign Minister of China is Wang Yi. Then moving on to the next question. Which state has set up a botanical garden named Shivalek Arboretum? So the answer is Uttarakhand. And the capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun Engaging. The capital is Dehradun Engaging. Dehradun, Dehradun. Then the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat. The Chief Minister is Trivendra Singh Rawat. And the Shivalek range is located in Nainital district. Nainital district. Nainital. Nainital district. So it is being started or it has been set up to conserve 210 species of trees found in the Shivalek range of Himalayas. So then moving on to the next question. With which country India has held 4th Foreign Office consultation virtually? So the answer is option B, Qatar. And in India side it was held by Sanjay Bhattacharya. And in the Qatari side it was led by Ahmed Hassan. So in the Qatar side it was led by Ahmed Hassan. Then moving on to the next question. So the 12th question is, which team has won the Syed Mushtaq Ali T20 Trophy 2020-2021? So the answer is option A, Tamil Nadu, and the runner-up is Baroda. Then moving on to the next question. The 13th question is, Union Textiles Minister Smriti Irani has inaugurated which edition of India International Silk Fair? So the answer is option D, 8th, and it was inaugurated on 31st January 2021, and it is a 5 days event. Then moving on to the next question. So the 14th question is, the Indian Coastal Guard IGC has celebrated its which rising day on February 1, 2021? So the answer is option D, 45th, and the director of ICG is Krishnaswamy Nadaraja. Krishnaswamy Nadaraja. And just make a note of Defence Minister. So the Defence Minister is Rajnath Singh. Then moving on to the next question. Sandro Botticelli was a famous painter from which country? So the answer is option A, Italy. And then moving on to the next question. UN World Tourism Organization has confirmed 2020 as which year? So the answer is option C, worst year on record. Then moving on to the next question. So the 17th question is, who has been appointed by NASA as the acting chief staff of the US Space Agency? So the answer is option A, Bhavya Lal, and you should also make note of the administrator. So the administrator is Steve Jurczyk. Then moving on to the next question. who has been appointed as the first ever Chief Compliance Officer of Facebook Inc.? So the answer is option B, Henry Moniz, and the CEO of Facebook is Mark Zuckerberg. So that's it, we are done for the day, and thank you for watching our video. And if you think that we are doing good, please tell us in the comment section below, because it means a lot to us. And if you have any doubts, please feel free to contact us in Facebook and Instagram. And see you in my next video. Till then, bye. It's me, Harini, signing off.